Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah with Sarah Plans Life, and today we are planning the week of July 20th through the 26th. It is the last full week of July, and I am super excited to plan this week. I got a little sticky note crazy doing all my pre-planning, but that's fine. Everything's fine. So let's look at the previous week. I love this kit so much, you guys. It turned out so pretty, and I used most of it. I think I only have like 2 stickers left, which is crazy to me. So a lot happened very quickly with Surrogacy this week. It is insane. Check mark for my vitamins. So I got my contract. Actually, now I don't know when I got my contract. Oh, I got my contract on Thursday, the 9th. And I had my legal review. And so then on Monday, I decided to film my contract video, and that's actually up on my channel. I'll put a card up at the top here for you guys to click on. So go ahead and go watch that video. So then we all signed the contracts on Tuesday. I can't believe how quickly we were able to get those signed and stuff, but we signed all the contracts on Tuesday, and then got an email from the clinic on Wednesday saying, okay, how does this transfer date work for you? And I said, okay. And now all of a sudden I've got my transfer date and things are moving ahead. It's so exciting. It's so exciting. So this week I take my last birth control pill. So my meds get here on Friday, and I'll probably film some sort of medication unboxing video if that's something you guys are interested in. But I think it's really fascinating, the kind of medications it takes to, trick your body into getting pregnant with different genetic material. So let me know in the comments if that's something you guys want to see. So this week I am using a Cricut Paper Co kit. It is the Be My Neighbor mini kit. I've actually used this kit before, so I had leftovers already. So I'm just kind of adding it to this, to this other mini kit. And I'm excited. I loved using this kit before. I used it in February for the week of James's birthday, because that was the kit he picked out. And yeah, I really like it. I love the colors. It's so bright and fun. So yeah, so this is the kit I'm using. I am also going to be using some washi from Happy Planner because, get these over here. Because I didn't buy the extras that had like the washi and date covers and stuff. So we are just winging it on the washi tape, and we are going to make it work. So I'm going to go through and, like always, do my outline and do the weather real quick, and then I'll be right back and we'll get to chatting about all the things. Okay, here we go. All done with the outline. No Hamilton singing this time. Sorry, guys. So let's just dive in. Okay, so Murder, Mystery, and Makeup on Monday. This last one was really good. It was about Jim Jones, and he was the preacher and cult leader who directed a huge mass murder-suicide of all of his followers in his commune that he had in Jonestown. It was a long video. It was like a 53-minute video that she did, but ooh lordy, there was a lot going on there. So that was really fascinating if you wanted to see that. Let's see. Okay, so I am uploading this video on Monday. For uploading the plan with me, if I can get it to go. Ooh, did you hear that come off the paper? Hot damn. Okay, there. And then we are going to go to the neighborhood pool on Monday because James's arm is finally healed enough that he can get in the pool with us. Ooh, that's crooked. So I'm going to put one of these cute munchkins from Once More with Love here to show pool time. Okay, so I was thinking of taking the kids to the pool on Tuesday, but since it's supposed to rain, that's probably not going to happen. So we're probably just going to stay inside. But Scotty has Taekwondo gosh. I love that these are repositionable. Ooh, that makes things so much better. Okay. And then Tuesday, I am going to film a plum paper planner order, my first plum paper planner order that I've ever done, and I'm very excited. So I ordered a meal planning notebook kind of thing, and then my friend, she ordered a homeschool planner. So I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough of both of those, just so you guys can kind of see what they look like. I can kind of comment on paper quality and just kind of let you know what I think of those products. I believe she also got a notepad, and then because it was during that teacher sale, she also got a free notepad as well. So the order is predominantly her stuff, because I'm not ready to buy a new planner yet, because I still got to finish out the year in this one. I'm going to run out of stickers for sure. Maybe. Oh, I don't know. Okay. We'll just keep trucking and see what happens. So this week I'm going to try writing my steps here and then doing all my meals down here. I'm going to see how that works, because I kind of like, varying it up and trying different things. And so, yeah, that's what we're going to try. Okay. And then this day is the last day of birth control for me. What? That stuff makes me hormonal like crazy. Yeah, so that birth control, it's like twice the amount of hormones that I had in my last birth control. So my poor body is like, no, thank you. So we're just going to work on that. Okay, so Thursday, while I am recovering from being on birth control, I'm kidding. I'm going to upload that plum paper planner video. Tomorrow, actually, I'm getting these like giant lights. My husband was like, we should get you some lights for your planner videos. And I mean, my first thought was, no, I don't need professional lights. Like, I use, the natural lighting and it's good enough. Like, I'm not making any money off of these videos. So, it's kind of a waste of money, but he's all about like, having the best of everything and stuff. And I'm like, all right, fine. Whatever. I'm not going to fight you on it. It's going to help me in the long run. So, I've got those coming. So I'll be able to film that plum paper order in the evening after my kids go to bed, which will be nice because then they won't be loud and crazy while I'm trying to film like it is when I film during the day. It is difficult. Okay, so he has Taekwondo both of these days. As usual. Whoops. No, that's straight. It's crooked, but it's fine. We can live with the craziness. All right, and I was able to get them both in the same swimming class again on Friday, which is so nice. Oh my gosh, it is so helpful when they are in the same class instead of having to go multiple times. I cannot get the sticker lined up how I want it. There we go. Okay. And then this day, Friday morning, I am getting my med delivery. I'm not sure when. I believe they're sending it from FedEx. But yes, I am getting my meds this day because, so I stopped my birth control here so that I can start my period. And then I'll have my period over the weekend. Whoop. We got to get into August because that's how that works. And I'll have what's called a baseline appointment on Monday. And what that's measuring is my lining after having a period. And hopefully, as long as that ultrasound goes well and everything looks good, that's when I'll start estrogen. So that medicine needs to be here by Friday so that I can start it on Monday if I need to. So that's what's going on there. And then I need to, obviously, meal plan. Get that going. I don't know how much room I'm going to have for decorative stickers this week. Whoops. Okay. Meal plan here. And I don't have a sticker for that, so I'm actually gonna switch this since I don't have a fun big sticker. I'm gonna switch that to this one here. Go. Okay. So meal planning. So I need to put that sticker down. Just do not want to work with me today. Kind of hard to get off the pages. Okay. Meal planning, and then Scotty has Taekwondo again on Saturday. He did really good at Taekwondo today. He's so good at it. Like, it makes me so proud of him. Okay, so there's that, and then we are going to film My Plan With Me sometime on Saturday. I'm actually filming today on a Saturday, but now that I'll have those lights, I'm actually going to move this to up here so that I can film in the evenings, because it's just so much easier. It will be so much easier to film while the kids are in bed, because then I don't have to worry about being interrupted. And let me tell you, man, when I get interrupted, it makes editing so much harder because I have to edit out these huge chunks of time from, me helping the kids with, whatever it is that they need to be helped with. And then Sunday, we actually have church, family Zoom. It's been a few weeks since they've done it because I just think not very many people were showing up. And I mean, I'm guilty of it too, like it's just kind of hard to stay consistent with that and to, show up, especially since Sundays are my husband's day off. So we like to spend time together, and we like to go to the pool in the mornings because it's not as crowded on Sunday mornings. So that's that. My tweezers. Okay, let's lay down all of these Taekwondo stickers. Let's see. I'm trying to think of what else. Let's put this YouTube sticker up here. This is cute. Perfect. Okay. So yeah, that's my week before the pen, and I love it. I typically, with these, don't like to put them down until the day is over, because if something pops up, I don't like having to remove or move the sticker because it's so big. I would prefer to just not risk that. So once the day is over, I'll put a decorative sticker down, and then this day is over, I'll put another sticker down, because I did that the last time I used one of her kits. It's what I did with this last kit that I used of hers, is after the end of each day, I would stick one of these stickers in where there was some space. So that's what I'll do this time as well. I still have a few stickers, it looks like, for if events or anything pop up, which does tend to happen. I know I'm going to want to Skype with the guys at some point. We just Skyped with them last night. Oh my gosh, we talked for 2 hours. It was amazing. I was so excited to get to talk to them. And it's so nice. Like, we all just really, we get along really well. My husband is super inappropriate, and they are okay with that. And I think that's a huge win. Because my husband is a lot. He is a lot. So yeah, it was real nice to get to talk to them and just kind of talk about what a crazy week this last week was, and how all of a sudden things are happening. And now we have a transfer date, and we were kind of talking about our plans for when we go out for the transfer. So they're going to meet us down there. The clinic that I'm transferring with does not allow other people in the room because of coronavirus. So it's going to be just me in there, which is such a bummer. Like, man, it's really cool. I wish they could be in there to see it. But I'm going to see if they do WhatsApp, because WhatsApp's one of my favorite video chat apps on a phone. But I'll download whatever. I'll download Skype if I need to. I'm rambling. Okay. I'm going to go through and write everything out. I'm going to write all my meals down on the bottom. And yeah, I think I did all of my decorative. No, I didn't do all my decorative stuff. I forgot to do my forgot to do this girl, and I forgot to do my coffee girl. What's the matter with me? And I just ripped this one. Damn. It's okay. Actually, I'm going to put her on the rainy day because we going to need coffee on that rainy day. Oof. But yeah, okay, so I'm going to go through and write all of this in. These are the vinyl stickers, so I do need to use my Sharpie pen or my Sharpie permanent marker. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll be done. I'll show you the finished product, and I'll stop rambling at you guys. Okay, here we go, all done. I got everything in. It was nice, even though this washi is so thin. It was nice. It's one of the reasons why I decided to put my meals down at the bottom is because the washi was so thin. I actually have room to be able to write all of my meals out. Granted, most of them are small, but this one's really long. And the way my meal planning works is since I pick up groceries on Saturdays, that means my meals go from Saturday to Friday. So these 2 days I do not have meals planned yet. So yeah, this is it for the week, you guys. I think it looks good. I don't have a busy week. I haven't been going out and doing much. The only things we've been going out to do have been swimming and taekwondo. I've been doing pickup grocery orders, which, man, those are hit or miss on whether or not I actually get the things I need. And then that's it. Like, we only go to our neighborhood pool when no one is there, and we don't use any pool furniture or anything like that because I really want to make sure I don't get sick right before the transfer, or if I'm asymptomatic before the transfer and then get sick immediately after, that's super dangerous for the embryo. And so I just want to make sure I'm being very careful and sanitizing and washing my hands all the time if I'm going anywhere that's not home. And yeah, I'm just trying to take really good care of myself. But I love how this week turned out. It's so colorful and pretty. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment down below. Stay tuned on my channel. Go ahead and subscribe so that you know when I upload new videos. It seems like I have a lot of extra videos planned besides my plan with me. I've got that plum paper planner order. I did just do a Once More with Love order, and I'm going to be doing a Planner Kate order during her sale the following week, so that'll be a video. I've got the medication unboxing video that I plan on doing, and then I'll have the transfer and just kind of an update video that I plan on doing. So I've got a lot coming up, and I'm very excited for it all. So yeah, please subscribe to my channel so you can see all those videos coming up. I hope everyone has a wonderful week, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.